Alright, if you've read by the title, this video is going to be a non-talk, maybe music in the background, but we'll see what I want to do, while editing. But the only times I'll be talking is right now in the intro and the outro. So everything, workouts, poses, everything will be silent. Obviously with music in the background, we'll see what I put. But today we're hitting biceps and triceps, so I'll let you guys enjoy.
Eyes in the sky, gazing far into the night. I raise my hand to the fire, but it's no use, 'cause you can't stop it from shining through. It's true, baby, let the light shine through. If you believe it's true, baby, won't you let the light shine through? Close till I get up. Time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah. No, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways. And on over the edge. Feel like I'm floating through the air. The pain I felt is paid for, all is said and done. Oh, I am restricted, fixed upon the web. I need to kick the habit that my mind is breathing in. Break out, I've got to see. Spent all my life holding all of it closely. I played it innocent, a feel of discontent. I'm finally facing it all, fearless. Burning the bridge that keeps us. I'm here and I'm feeling real. Exaggerated, that's what you assume.
My heart rages around like an ocean in my head, because there are so many things that I left unsaid. I can almost feel you walking in the distance, but I know that is not reality. If you are echoing around inside these parallel dimensions all alone, now I'll find you in my dreams. eyes. Search but you stay lost. We are reaching for the stars, but we're making this too hard. And I wonder where you are. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. Mysterious, that's the part you always show. 'Cause you're too curious. Maybe you should take it slow. We're dreaming in the dark. We are nothing more than dust. Search for you, stay lost.
I'm walking alone, the streets are empty. The only thing I can see is my own silhouette. I'm getting stronger, step by step. The clock is ticking, but there's no time for me. I've been flying from town to town, from London.
Alright, that's gonna be the end of the video. Let me know if you guys ended up liking the no speaking, the quietness. Well, obviously it wasn't as quiet because there's music in the back, but maybe. But yeah, let me know in the comments if you like me not like talking that much. But if you like the quietness, and if you want me to do this more often, I will do it for sure. And I know I haven't been documenting the pledge of the Gymshark 66, but I can assure you guys just, I have been doing it. Just, you guys will have to just take my word for it. But you know, that's just the end. That's the end of the video. So go ahead and look at the my videos here, the subscribe or the channel, you know, whatever. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.